All right, ladies. So one of the things that we have to do in this chapter is we need to review ser and estar. You do have a quiz on this on Friday, but we've already spent a lot of time doing ser and estar. You have notes, you have homework from it. Um, so make sure that you're looking at those things. I'm going to post a couple assignments you need to do on Schoology as well. But I thought it might be helpful to kind of go through these notes. You theoretically should already have these notes. Let's just go through them again. So, yo soy. Tú eres, es, somos, sois, son. Okay, so you are going to use ser to talk about several things. Characteristics that generally do not change. Ser is used for descriptions. The main thing we're reviewing, why we're reviewing ser versus estar, is we're talking about your room, and it's kind of a mix of where things are versus what describing things. So descriptions that are not about condition or location. So here's a very detailed list of when to use ser. So first thing um, is occupation, religious or political affiliation. That doesn't change. Origin, possession, or material of which something is made. Physical or personality characteristics of people, animals, or objects. So you could say something like, mi cama es grande. My bed is big. Or um, mi manta, my blanket, es amarilla. So we're using S here because the color doesn't change. Also make sure amarilla is singular feminine that matches manta. Um, Time, dates, and seasons. That doesn't change. Indicate the location of an event. If something's, the only time you're going to use this is if it takes place. You don't see that very often, so don't worry too much about that. So let's talk about estar. So, yo estoy, tú estás, está, estamos, están, estáis. Oh, I messed that up. Hold on. Estáis, están. Good. So use estar to talk about conditions that tend to change. For example, how a person feels, where a thing is. So we have the saying that how you feel and where you are always use the verb estar. Okay. So let's go back to like you could say, let's talk about your room. Mis fotos están en la pared. Make sure that you're keeping articles. La pared, the wall. Again, location, feeling, emotion, temporary state, or condition. All right, that's it. These notes on Schoology as well.